Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to set up your Apple Watch for right-handed wear. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers, I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First, open your Apple Watch, then go to the settings menu. And in the settings menu, just tap on the general option, and in the general menu, scroll down and tap on the orientation. And here you can change the orientation of your Apple Watch. You can wear it on your left hand or right hand, and you can change the digital crown orientation as well. If you like it this way, you can turn your Apple Watch upside down if you want to wear it like this, or you can turn it like this. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you. Don't forget to subscribe and see you in the next one. Bye bye.